Now we're walking down in the kind of the rainforest there, some waterfalls and a lot of trees in the background. You have to be careful so you don't fall in. Very tropical, and nice to get away from the sunlight. Really nice to walk here, just exploring the neighborhood. Even had one killer tree, one tree that attacks another one, so the big one dies. Sad, but that is nature. I'm just gonna continue walking here. It's 2 hours. Let's see where I end up. It's pretty windy up here in the rainforest. Really nice, all these palm trees in the background. Be careful when you walk there so you don't fall. We're gonna continue walk up here past this very nice restroom in the background. Let's continue walking up here, and then we'll see, take it a bit easier and go back to the hotel for a bit. So after surviving that hike in pretty warm weather, it's evening now. I had some really nice Thai food. Actually, Thailand is nearby, so there's a lot of food inspired by like Vietnam, Thailand, Laos here actually. I have some nice shrimp, some beef curry, a lot of fantastic stuff. Now we're just walking in the last night in the night market down here again. It's actually the third day in a row. A lot of cool stuff to see here. Just walking and checking out the stores here. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Guizhou for another trip. So if you wanna see more of that kind of stuff, what I'm up to, give me a like, subscribe. I will see you in the next video in Guizhou.